Okay, so last week I went to a mountain with my brothers and it was really crazy fun. Here there was also like a waterfall, so I decided to make it. So today let's make a waterfall. Okay, so to make the waterfall I'm going to use some actual rocks and they're pretty dusty, so I have to clean them really quick. Let's do this.
My best behavior. In your head, you are my savior. Caught in a circular conversation, over and over and over we're saying.
Well, now the rocks are completely clean and now I'm going to let them sun dry for at least 4 to 5 hours because I want them to be completely dried. So here you go. Okay, so this is the motor which I'm going to use to run the entire waterfall and it actually works so well, better than I thought. This motor can fill 50 ml in 36 seconds and that is actually quite fast for this tiny motor. But now it's time to make the actual waterfall. So I'm going to use these rocks which I cleaned earlier and I'm going to use this white cement to glue them all together. But first, let's fix the pump.
Wait, dang, they think they slick.
And as you can see, this pump works so well. So now let's assemble all of those rocks and fix them together.
Get dropped off, it's Uber Eats. Who the top dog, man, it's you or me? I got it, ignore the comments. I remember the days the top was just rhyming. I clear my plate, don't scoff at what's made. I get food and skate, yeah, welcome to Sonic. Pulled off.
Okay, so now to give the base some depth, I'm going to use this tiny gravel which can be applied with some white cement.
Hot thermometer, pickpocket a doctor, yeah. Look at the lineup, it's Barber done did them proper. Verbal trigger, they treat him like he a monster. No weapon formed against them shall prosper. Bunch of imposters, yeah. We got them on ice.
Okay, so now after giving some depth with some washes, it's finally ready, but there has to be a little bit of greenish, so after that it should be ready. Okay, so finally it's time to put it in a box which I made out of wood and it looked so great. And ignore the tree right over there because I just ended up by removing it because that just does not look good at all. So yeah, you should also do that. And finally, here's the reveal.